Woke up one morning, stared at the grate. Same old routine, same old way. Suits in a rush, eyes to the ground. Didn't even know what I lost till now. Had a little old van, sat gathering dust. Didn't think twice, just packed it up. Left a note on the table, keys behind. Took a deep breath, hit the countryside. Now I'm rolling where the wild winds call. No more clocks, no high-rise walls. Left my name where I used to be. Now the road belongs to me. Took the back roads out of town. Left the noise, left the countdown. No more living for payday blues. Just rolling hills and endless views. No postcode, no fixed abode. Just me and the sky and an open road. Kettle on boots by the door. What else could I be asking for? Now I'm rolling where the wild winds call. No more clocks, no high-rise walls. Left my name where I used to be. Now the road belongs to me. First night parked by a quiet old lake. Watched the sun sink, felt human again. Made a cup on the stove, boots on the dash. For the first time ever, I wasn't looking back. No emails, no deadlines due. Just the sky wide open, a golden view. Found my freedom in a second-hand van. Turns out peace don't cost a damn. Now I'm rolling where the wild winds call. No more clocks, no high-rise walls. Left my name where I used to be. Now the road belongs to me. Mornings by the sea, nights in the trees. Sleeping where the stars sing soft melodies. The world moves fast, but I've slowed down. Now I hear the beauty in every sound. No more trains, no boss, no screen. Just the road ahead and the sky so clean. A little old van and a heart that knows life's much better when it gently flows. I've got a life in motion, wild and free. Drifting with the rivers, chasing the breeze. No plan, no chain, no weight on me. Just the hum of the wheels and a heart set free. Some say I lost the plot that day, but I reckon really I found my way. Traded the cage for a life untamed, and I do it all again and again and again. So if you're drowning in the weight of it all, if your spirit is making to heal it all, there's a sea by the fire, come sit and see. The road is waiting. I'm a van life, a calm.